Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making some jasmine rice, the perfect rice that comes out not soggy. I wouldn't say perfect, but I just did. But I try to make it as perfect as possible. So I just drained my rice. I had it soaking for like 5 minutes. And I'm going to place it in here in the pot. Get a little stir. Yeah, that was 2 cups of rice, and I have 5 cups of water. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. I also want to add in a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And I want to put the lid over the rice and let it cook for like 10 minutes. Now I did say rice and chicken onion gravy. So I bought 5 chicken legs. And I just ripped the meat off of them. Now I'm finished seasoning the chicken. A teaspoon of black pepper. I have a teaspoon full of seasoned salt. Teaspoon of garlic salt. I have a teaspoon of onion salt. And what I'm going to do now is put on the gravy. This is brown gravy from any grocery store. Oh, I also want to turn the stove down medium while cooking the rice. Forgot about that. So I'm going to pour both of these packages in. Inside the skillet. Exactly two cups. Oh wow. I'm not going to pour it all in at once, but it's 2 cups of water. And I'm constantly going to stir. Constantly going to stir. A little more water. chicken. And I have a couple onions that I want to add in. 1 cup of onions. I'm making a mess. Making a mess. I'm a mess, I tell you. I didn't hear that phrase in years. I'm a mess, I tell you. I want this gravy to come to a boil. In the meantime, I'll be checking on my rice. Yeah. Okay. Keep stirring this. My rice should be ready now. Good. Constantly stirring this gravy. Turn the stove down a little. Four boiled eggs. I'm just going to cut it up inside the gravy. Looks good. Yum. Do it. Very easy and simple. You don't even take that much time. This is my rice. B plus. I'll take it. Now I like to pour my chicken onion gravy right over the rice. Yum, yum. Rice and chicken onion gravy. Get this baby a taste. Ah, well, it's good. It is delicious. I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Again, my name is Sister Faye. And as always, y'all know what's next. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe, that red subscribe button. This is very appreciated. And it's very needed. Again, y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.